Every process begins where nature gives its first signal.
Ripeness is not guessed, it is felt.
Each cluster is handled with deliberate care. Volume builds one crate at a time. From ground to movement. Harvest prepares for its journey. The road connects field to precision.
But filling requires another harvest. Strength and size are essential.
Efficiency meets tradition.
Nothing is wasted.
Raw elements converge. Two harvests, one destination. The factory awaits. Verification before transformation.
Direction is everything.
Systems prepare to receive. Raw materials enter the system. Movement turns harvest into process.
Separate paths align.
Gravity is guided.
Celebratory camp conference that types they lower, then stronger. Massive.
Every fall is calculated. Protection preserves quality. Cleanliness begins early. Balance ensures efficiency. Guidance without interruption. Support keeps flow constant. Streams reunite.
Human judgment remains vital.
Order replaces randomness.
Timing is controlled. Timing is controlled. Surfaces matter. The heart of production appears.
Readiness confirmed.
Nothing passes unseen.
Transport ends. Transformation begins.
Every journey leads to a central point. Entry is controlled, deliberate.
Verification is never skipped.
Precision ensures smooth unloading.
Threshold crossed. Process begins.
Alignment matters for flow. Connection between vehicle and facility is seamless. Transition begins with touch. Momentum carries everything onward.
Human precision enhances machinery. Inside, the real work begins. Streams converge quietly.
Safety guides every step.
Integration is flawless.
Light reveals detail and depth.
Keep it moving to the right. Human oversight directs flow.
Every entry is calculated.
Arrival marks a new phase.
Inside, efficiency takes shape.
Purity begins at first touch.
Precision removes the unwanted.
Every piece is examined.
Uniformity is critical. Rejected materials are diverted, not lost. Separate paths now align. Consistency is verified. Technology aids human eyes. Tenderness is measured precisely. Order emerges from controlled chaos. Preparation for transformation is complete.
Looks good. Human touch validates readiness.
The final alignment begins.
Protection never interrupts flow. Precision meets preparation. And now, transformation begins. The heart of transformation comes alive. Each insertion exact, every time.
Human oversight ensures perfection.
Precision is measured in microns. flow continues uninterrupted.
Errors are gently separated.
Human hands perfect what machines begin. Order emerges from continuous motion.
Every date is accounted for.
Perfection moves forward, step by step. Core transformation complete. Next is refinement.
Surface refinement begins.
A delicate touch enhances appeal. Controlled warmth stabilizes perfection. Every detail is aligned. Human eyes complement machinery. Main transformation complete. Precision automation awaits.